Hey, welcome back to our channel. Steve here. I'm gonna give you a look at our camper and our tow vehicle this morning. Here's a look at our Anderson setup here with the tongue block. I don't know if that's what they call it or not, but I finally upgraded to that. We usually use those plastic stacking blocks that you stack one on top of the other, but I've gone to this and so far been really happy with it. It's really convenient, very sturdy. I don't know if we've seen a huge difference in trailer stability, but we have these under every jack, and it's really pretty easy. And so far so good. We're happy with it. Here's our tow vehicle, Ford F-250 XLT. It's a 2020, and it's got the diesel engine. Really happy with what it does towing. It's night and day. I had 3 previous F-150s, and then I upgraded to this F-250 with the diesel, and my goodness, it's night and day. Here's our campsite. Wife's vehicle. We're close to where we live here when we're camping, so she drove out. It's a good look at our site. Really nice sites. These are 48 a night. This has sewer, water, 30 amp and 50 amp electric. Good look at the trailer. Has 1 slide. I'll look up the specs on it as far as the weight and everything and give you some of that information. We had previously a Forest River, and it was a 26 foot, and we had quite a bit of problems with it, but man, this Grand Design company really has proven to be high quality. We've literally had no issues with this, and again, this is a 2019, so we've had it quite a while. Tow's really nice. It's not a huge trailer, obviously, at 26 foot, but really has served our needs very well, and it's easy to tow, especially with that F-250 diesel. Here's the back side of it. But yeah, it's a nice trailer. So one upgrade we have done on the trailers, we took off the factory steps and we put these Ride folding steps on. Huge difference maker. Both helps with stability, but more importantly, it's a much safer and more stable exit and entry into the trailer. Very pleased. Highly recommend these. They've been on a few years. I think these are just under $300. I installed them myself, and it took a little bit of doing, not difficult. Definitely something you can do yourself and don't need to have done unless you just want to, but very good upgrade. Another look at the trailer from the outside. We'll go inside here and take a look around inside the 2600 RB. Imagine there's a Hewey. He's a sweet boy, and he's really sweet if you got some treat or food for him. There's a little Harley. He's a Dachshund. He's really old. He's about, we think, 16 or 17. He's a good boy, and he loves to be in his blankies. Here's the exterior lighting on the front of the trailer. And then the outside. Here's exterior lighting on the Imagine. I don't know if you can see it, but it's also got 2 speakers. On the outside, you can kind of see the blue lights.